Hey students, welcome to Cooking with Mr. Wigand, the very first episode, and I have something very, very special for you. I'm going to show you how to cook my world famous spicy Thai peanut ramen. Now, I know you're excited, and I know what you're thinking. Mr. Wigand, you look really good, and thank you. Thank you. Let's talk about the ingredients first. You are going to need a pack of ramen. If you don't have one of these, you are not cooking this. Now, there's lots of different flavors. Personally, I prefer the chicken myself for this recipe. However, all I could find was beef, and beef will do. Now, this is really important. I have Trader Joe's Thai lime and chili almonds. You could find Thai lime chili cashews, peanuts, mixed nuts, etc. But these are actually a really crucial part of this recipe because it really adds that lime flavor. You get that chili flavor, and it also adds that crunch of the nuts themselves. Now, again, I prefer something more like peanuts myself, but this is what I could find. I've got some peanut butter right there, a good dollop of peanut butter. I have 2 eggs, sriracha sauce, some green onion. So, let's get cooking. Now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to cook these eggs. So we're going to go ahead and crack them right in our bowl. If you got any shells, go ahead and make sure you get them out of there. Ta-da! That's an easy way to do it. And we want to beat these eggs up pretty well. So go ahead and grab a fork and mix away. There, that's perfect. Now a lot of people don't know this, but you can actually microwave eggs. It's not my preferred method of cooking them, but for something like this, it's going to be perfect. So we're going to go ahead and put those eggs in the microwave for 2 minutes. And they're done. Let's see how we did. Perfectly cooked. You know, now's actually a good time to add our peanut butter. So I'm going to go ahead and put my generous scoop of peanut butter right in there. Next thing I want to do is I want to break up all of these eggs. Smelling good. Now, the ramen, some people like it crushed up. Some people like it just the whole thing in there. I like to crush it a medium amount. So when I'm eating, I'm not trying to fight with all of these noodles that are, hanging halfway out of my mouth. So here we go. The first thing I'm going to put in is the ramen. Yes. I'm going to go ahead and add that flavor packet. My chili lime almonds. And my green onions. One more thing, don't forget about your sriracha. Now all we need to do is add the water. Now you're going to want to stir that up really good. Alright, success. This thing is smelling delicious. The only other thing I would recommend is having about 1 liter or 2 of water when you eat this because it is salty and you're gonna get thirsty. So here we go. First bite. That's the stuff. That's the stuff right there. Hey, see you next time. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you learned something. And let me know if you try this out and how you like it. See you guys later.